Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss about one of the simplest algorithm, LeetCode problem +1. You will be given a non-empty integer array which contains only single digits and they are positive digits. Assume that the array is representing a number. If you take this array as an example, it is representing number 123. All we need to do here is increment by 1 and return back as an array again. If you increment 123 by 1, then it became 124. It looks like this in the array format. It is clearly called out that there are no leading zeros. The logic is pretty simple and straightforward. We don't need to convert the array into number in order to increment by 1 and then convert it back to array. It is not necessary. We can provide the solution with the arrays itself. Let's understand the edge cases first. Here we have couple of input arrays and their expected output arrays. First input is 702, 702. All we need to do here is iterate over the array in the backward direction and increment the last digit by 1. Increment 2 by 1, which is 3. That's it. We got the expected answer 703, 703. Here also we can just increment the last digit 7 by 1. That's enough. We get 268 as an answer. This logic works as long as the digit is less than 9. Think about this case. The input is 429. In this case, it is not enough to increment the last digit when you encounter 9 at the end. We need to take care of its previous digit also. When you increment 9 with 1, it is going to be 10, which affects its previous number 2 in this case. All we need to do here is replace 9 with 0 while iterating backward and increment the digit by 1 if it is less than 9. Here 9 is replaced with 0, 2 is incremented by 1, which is 3. So we got the answer and return back the result, which is 430. We have another case where all the digits in the input array are 9. It can be 99 or it can be 999 or any other numbers. As usual, we will replace 9 with 0 in our iterations till we reach our end of iteration. At the end, we create a new array and add index 0 element with 1 and return back the result. Why new array? Because the length of the array is changing, right? When you add 1 to 999, it became 1000. Here we had only 3, array length is 3. But for the new number, we need array with length 4, right? So that's why we create new array with all zeros except index 0. Index 0 will be replaced with 1 and return back the result. Now let's write the code. Create a static function +1 which takes integer array as input and returns integer array back. We will loop through the array in the backward direction. If the digit is less than 9, then increment by 1 and return the array back. If the number is 9, just replace it with 0. We are done with iterating over the array. If we still didn't return means the array contains all 9s. So we need to create a new array. By default, this array is filled with all zeros. Change the index 0 value to 1 and return it back. Now the code is done. Let's test it. I have already written the main method. Uncomment this piece of code. Here we are calling +1 function with multiple inputs. Let's run. The output is as expected. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.